Okay, so this is first time you've cooked prawns, first time you've made pasta, first time you've put prawns and beetroot together? This is a big first-time dish.
It was a big first-time dish.
Robert, for me, this doesn't work. I think you're out of your depth. You didn't really know what to do with these flavours, if anything.
There is no flavor, nothing excited that can say about this dish.
I think I was so concentrating on trying to cook meat that everything else just was an extra.
The meat might be the best thing about the dish.
Yeah. I did crap last time and I did crap today, so you don't get to do that twice. I think I'm going home.
Going into elimination, I have resigned myself to the fact that I'm going to be one of the bottom three, and I have, prepared myself for that.
I did crap last time and I did crap today, so you don't get to do that twice. I'm going home.
I know I didn't do what the judges asked me to. The chances of me coming out on the other side to live another day looks really low right now.
Buonasera, everyone. We asked you to take us to Italy to make your own pasta with a fantastic filling and a sensational sauce. Some of you achieved that. Some of you didn't even get to Europe. A few of you weren't even on that continent.
It was a day of some big highs and some deep lows. Overall, the standard was pretty high and most of you would be pretty happy with your efforts. But remember, the person with the worst dish today will be leaving us.
I'll remind you that you weren't just cooking for us. Our special guest was one of New Zealand's top Italian restaurateurs, Gaetano Spinosa, a man who knows a thing or two about pasta. And he had some definite ideas about who made the grade.
Cameron and Jax, please step forward. Let's not mess around here. You both delivered outstanding dishes, and Gaetano said good enough to serve in his restaurant.
What an accolade. That's what I'm here for.
Jax, your dish was everything Italian food should be, simple and elegant. And Cameron, yours was simply phenomenal.
Blown away by those comments for the first time making it. I was pretty impressed with myself.
After your outstanding efforts today, Gaetano would like to shout you both dinner tomorrow night at his restaurant, O Saracino. So congratulations.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Feel very proud of myself. One of the Kodak moments for me.
You guys can take a seat.
Could the following contestants please step forward? Nadia, Anthony, Sam, Tracy Lee, Fiona.
Looking at the others, I'm thinking there's a mixed bag here. I'm definitely not safe.
Nadia, Gaetano thought that your dish took him back to Italy. Anthony, perfectly cooked prawns. Your pasta was a wee bit tough, and you really got to work on that presentation. Sam, your dish was confused, not very Italian. And as Gaetano said, you don't put the salad and the pasta on the same plate. Sam, please step back.
Holy crap, I didn't know what it meant. I mean, it's elimination. It's right down to the crunch time. Hopefully I won't go home.
Tracy Lee, afraid your meatballs, they're a little bit dry. Your whole dish needed a bit more excitement. Fiona, you are an enigma to us. We know you can cook. We're waiting for you to deliver, and it just hasn't happened yet, you know?
Nadia, Tracy Lee, Anthony, and Fiona, your dishes are all good enough to get you through to the next round. Congratulations. You're in the top 10. You can take a seat.
Thank you.
I am in complete shock because I truly thought I had an extremely high chance of going home today, and I've just got to step up next time and deliver.
Oh, and Sam. You're also through.
It was pretty scary. I mean, at the moment, I'm sort of floating around the middle, and I'm not too happy about that, really.
Robert, Michelle, Michael, Stu. That just leaves the 4 of you.
It's really horrible standing in that lineup in the bottom 4.
Stu, back in the bottom of the pack. How you feeling?
Not good at all. It's a terrible feeling.
Do you think you deserve another chance?
I do.
Michelle, take your tally with meatballs, a classic Italian dish. The meatballs lacked flavour. The sauce was plain. Not your finest moment.
I basically tried to stick with simple flavours and something I knew, but I think my simple just turned into a little bit boring. I'm just hoping and praying that there's someone that's done a worse dish than I have.
Stu, Michelle, you've really disappointed us this week. But you've done just enough to get you through to the next round. Please take a seat.
It's a close shave, and I mean, that is somewhere I do not want to be again.
At the moment, there's just been people that have made some major mistakes, and I'm still here because of those mistakes.
Robert and Michael, yours were the 2 least successful dishes of the day.
Realising that I'm in the bottom 2 didn't come as a big shock to me. I had prepared myself for it. I knew that I would be right at the bottom.
I just feel like my arms, my legs, my whole body is just heading towards the floor, like gravity's taken over. It's like I feel so kind of frustrated and let down by myself.
Sadly for one of you, it's arrivederci. Michael, your dish was not an Italian dish. When are you going to start concentrating in this competition?
The pressure just got to the better of me. Lifting the mystery box, I saw pasta and I thought the challenge was a pasta dish, and I must have overheard the Italian part. It was a huge mistake, huge mistake.
Robert, beetroot and prawns in your dish, no real flavour. Do you think you deserve to stay in this competition?
I would love to stay in this competition because I'm both disappointed and frustrated with myself that so far in the top 12, I haven't shown why I should be in the top 12. I don't want to leave having New Zealand watch me and think, why was he even there?
Michael, it was a poor effort. Robert, you're out of your depth in this competition. You're going home.
Thank you very much for the opportunity, guys.
Michael, we think you've got some skills, but on this occasion, consider yourself very lucky.
I do.
Take a seat.
As much as I'm happy, I'm really sad that I have let myself get to this position. My confidence right now is kind of quite low. I don't know if I deserve to be in the competition anymore. I really have to step it up.
Robert, I'll put you in a situation where you have to eat brains. You did it.
I did.
And it's not about trying to make you do that, it's about trying to grow you as a chef so that you try these things. Clearly your passion is there. Don't give up the dream of food.
No.
And I look forward to coming to your restaurant one day and eating prawns or meat, or even perhaps a vegetarian dish.
Yeah.
Robert, it's now time to leave the MasterChef kitchen.
Cool. Bye, guys. I knew that today was going to be my last day. It wasn't even like a little stuff up. It was just, you know, complete out of my comfort zone, complete lack of knowledge.